Yo, can you believe all at the same time? Metropolitan Avenue about M and Essex Street about M is coming at the same time. Like, I'm just saying though, at Fresh Pond Road. Let's see who goes first. Essex Street or Metropolitan? And yes, it's very cold outside. Oh, looks like Essex Street bound M go first. Whew, finally. Now it's Metropolitan. So let's see who's gonna win this time. Metropolitan or Essex Street. No, it's not go to Chamber Street. Nani. The 1 minute bound Metropolitan Village bound M. Now 1-1. It's like Essex Street is the winner.